So firstly, screw the clamp onto the table, twist it nice and tight, otherwise it will fall and your microphone will break. Step 2. Screw the shock mount onto the suspension arm, but I didn't mention that you also need to screw the suspension arm onto the clamp. And if you don't, it will fall because of gravity. Number 3. Gently insert the microphone into the shock mount. It will go in easily because the shock mount expands. Number 4. Gently put the foam cover over the microphone. I didn't mention that a foam cover comes as well, so accept my sincerest apologies. Number 5. Screw the pop filter onto the suspension arm, but don't screw it too far away from the microphone, otherwise it won't reach. Twist, 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 twist. And finally, adjust your pop filter to how you like, but remember, don't let it touch the microphone. And you're all done! Have fun with your new microphone! I hope you enjoyed my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Bye!